What's up, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and in this video I'll be going through a super simple fix for a really common crash with Cyberpunk 2077. If the game starts up and then crashes out immediately, or you're having random crashes, it could be caused by something very simple, which is an issue in a lot of games. It's just that here, this is especially an issue. So if you're running the game on Steam and not the GOG launcher, then this fix isn't going to completely apply to you unless you have the GOG launcher installed as well. In that case, simply open it up, click the settings in the top left, then click settings once again. Inside of here, click game features, and then make sure to uncheck the overlay down here. This disables the GOG Galaxy overlay, which seems to be causing a lot of crashes for a lot of people. By simply doing this, your game should no longer be crashing, assuming you have the GOG launcher installed, but you own it there or not. However, if you're still getting random crashes when you're starting up the game, then it could be caused to other overlays and programs affecting it. The first thing we can try and do is disable the Steam overlay, though I think it's very unlikely that this could be causing an issue. You can head into Steam, hit Steam in the top left, followed by Settings. Then inside of here, you can head to the in-game tab and simply make sure to uncheck this option over here, enable the Steam overlay while in-game. I would highly recommend leaving this on for other games, however, as it's an incredibly useful overlay. And if you're still crashing out after trying this, you should go ahead and re-enable it when we're done with this tutorial and bug fixing. I and many other people haven't experienced a crash with the Steam overlay just yet. It seems to just be the GOG launcher overlay. But if you're still experiencing crashes, make sure to close everything on your PC that could be interacting with the game or hooking into it. Recording software such as XSplit, OBS, Bandicam, and the rest do hook into games when you're recording them in game capture mode. Try closing any third-party recording software that you could have on your PC. Then for overlays, you could have other software such as Discord adding its own overlay, which you can disable by clicking user settings in the bottom left, heading across to overlay and simply turning it off at the very top over here. And finally, FPS or statistics overlays could also cause crashing. So if you have something like MSI Afterburner, River Tuner, Statistics Server, make sure that these are closed on your computer before actually launching it up. If for some reason you're still crashing, try and restart your PC, then make sure that all of these programs, overlays, and the rest are turned off and closed, and then try to launch up the game as you usually would. Hopefully at this point, you'll be able to play it as you'd expect. If for some reason you're still crashing out, make sure that your graphics drivers, most importantly, and Windows are up to date. The fewer programs you have running in the background, the less likely the game is to crash on launch due to something else interacting with it. And of course, if you're still struggling with issues, you're more than free to look for more solutions online. However, I would recommend being patient for updates, as they are aware of a lot of issues and should be working on fixing some of them. I would think the GOG launcher overlay not working properly is probably really high up on their priorities list. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found something useful in it. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!